guys, my name is Mandy and welcome to Mandy Cooks Kitchen. Today again with 5 ingredient recipe, I am going to show you how to make chicken soup with turmeric. It's a southern local Thai style dish, and let me show you ingredient that we are using today. It's easy, trust me. Let's get started. Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้ สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!